welcome back. So in this video, we're going to edit the lower third background. So we've already moved it around a little bit, but what I want to see is how we should edit it and then animate it and bring it into the actual video itself. Okay, so if I leave it like this, let's just play this and see how it looks.
Adobe Premiere Pro 2021 Ultimate course is for you. Ideas to life. The Adobe Premiere Pro 2021 Ultimate course is for you.
So let's bring this graphic in, and what I want to do is I want to rename this. So let's rename this course title background. So BG, okay? The reason why I'm doing that is because in the next video we're going to add the course title to this, and it'll just make it easier, okay? So let's go to the promo video, and what I want to do is let's transform this and let's do position. So I'm going to start this over here, and then when I start talking,
Ideas to life. Ideas to life.
then I'm going to position this in here.
The Adobe Premiere Pro 2021 Ultimate course is for you.
And then let's bring it back out this way. Okay?
I'm Josh Warner, and I'll be leading you through this course.
All right, so let's save that, and then let's go back here and play this again.
Videos and bring your ideas to life. The Adobe Premiere Pro 2021 Ultimate course is for you.
Okay, so
Videos and bring your ideas to life.
let's get rid of this keyframe. So let's select that, delete it.
Ideas to life. The Adobe Premiere Pro 2021 Ultimate course is for you.
So maybe what we'll do is we'll keep that there. And so I'm just kind of brainstorming here, so I'm not commentating what I'm doing, but here's what I'm thinking. Originally what I wanted to do is when I brought the lower third in from the left, I wanted to come in, display the graphic or the title, and then swipe out. But because I'm welcoming you to the course, we can keep the lower third there, like this.
The Adobe Premiere Pro 2021 Ultimate course. Learn how to edit video but don't know where to start. Would you like to make amazing videos and bring your ideas to life?
Okay, so this is a position, so we need to bring it in.
Ideas to life.
Okay, so we'll bring it in, and then we're going to hold it there. Okay.
The Adobe Premiere Pro 2021 Ultimate course is for you.
Hi, I'm Josh Warner, and I'll be leading you through this course. So we'll have Premiere Pro come in. We're going to add that graphic in the next video, and then the video after that we'll animate it so it all makes sense. Okay, so I'll leave you here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.